Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Shingture large pet hair removal tool. We're going to assemble the middle piece of this, so we don't need this here. And we're going to connect these two pieces together. This piece here is going to go inside this piece, and we're going to use this handle here to connect them, and this is going to give you the adjustment so you can change the height of this tool here. So if you're shorter, you might want to make the handle shorter. If you're taller, you want to make it as tall as possible. We're going to slot this in here and push it past like that. Put this bottom piece on, and you don't need to tighten that up yet. Put this next piece in here, so it's going to slot into the plastic and then slot over the metal piece as well. And push it in like that, and you can tighten this piece up so it's secure. I'm going to extend mine out because I'm a little bit taller. There we go. Now that's secure. Now you're going to take the number 4 piece and turn it onto this number 3 piece here. Go to the top of the handle and then push this over like that. A little bit tight, but you want to make this on as much as possible, because if it's not, it might fall off. You want to use this because you're going to hold on to this when you're using this tool. And the head can just be screwed on to the bottom here. And that's how you assemble the Shingture large pet hair removal tool.